Okay, here comes Chris.
California.
I'm going to unplug my earplugs so he can hear all of you guys. Okay, here he comes. So,
Hey there.
TikTok, and then this is everything else.
Hi, Lisa, and hello, everyone else.
So, is
And
anyone
Amy
from
Roloff land.
Idaho? So, anyway, we're going to have a house full for Thanksgiving, aren't we?
Yeah, 8 adults and what?
7 kids?
7 kids.
I think
Wow.
7 kids.
Wow.
So, yeah.
That's awesome. And
Chris
who's
loves it when everyone comes over, don't you?
Chaos.
who's cooking? Chris, are you cooking?
Well, yeah. I'll be entertaining the guests. That's my job.
Yeah.
Right.
And
right.
he's very good at that.
And I
He's
do
a
a lot of
host.
the prep around the house and get things ready. So, I'm working it. But usually when guests start arriving, Amy's still doing her thing in the kitchen, and I'm just, serving drinks and entertaining and that sort of thing. But fortunately, this year, the daughter-in-laws are stepping up and actually helping out with some of the dishes. So that's nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
I got to touch back with them. I only know one person who's bringing something. So I have to see what everyone else
She
is
always
bringing.
goes, if you want to, I say you should have just
delegate.
Yes, something.
Delegate.
Yeah, but when you do that, let's talk about that. When you do that, I don't want to force someone to bring something that they'd rather bring another dish. So it's like sides, desserts, or appetizer. So I said, bring one of those. I have one person bringing an appetizer, but if no one brings a side is like maybe sweet potatoes or vegetables or something like that. Since I have the
green beans.
Well, I'll make sure that's covered. Okay.
Green beans.
Yeah.
Because Lisa, I mean,
that's a Thanksgiving staple.
But you're not a veggie guy.
When you go to an event, I mean, no one likes to bring something when someone says, bring a side. And you're like, oh boy, that's the worst. No one has fun like bringing that.
I don't know. I have fun sometimes bringing. If you have one that you like, that's a tradition or a favorite, like the green bean casserole.
Specialty,
Well, that's why I open it. Say a side, dessert, or an appetizer.
Well, I hope someone is bringing deviled eggs.
Me.
Oh,
yum.
Good. And I like the celery with the cheese on it.
With the pimento, the cheese with the pimento.
Oh, yeah.
Amy.
I could get you all the ingredients and maybe you make that as the appetizer.
I'll be as entertaining, remember?
Oh, but Chris, you can make that the day before,
I know. That's what I think too.
Thanks, Lisa.
Yes.
I'll be making that stuff. But anyway, we're talking about Thanksgiving and we're talking about all the favorites, but you're just basically a turkey, mashed potato and gravy, green beans, rolls, deviled eggs, and dessert.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Stuffing?
Do
you like stuffing?
Not complicated. No, I don't like stuffing.
Do you like cranberry sauce?
No, I don't like cranberry sauce.
Okay, see, people, you know what I'm dealing with.
Oh, that's like the two main things that you mix all together.
Know.
Yes, I admit I have an unsophisticated palate.
Oh, he does. He does.
Oh, the other task or chore that I've been given this year is she wants the Christmas tree up before Thanksgiving. So I'll be working
this
on
weekend.
That.
It's not going to be fully decorated, but I wanted it up because Christmas it feels like a week late. Everyone is like,
it is a week late, right?
Yeah. Well, it feels like it because Thanksgiving is the 28th and cruising into Christmas. It's like we lose a week or that 5 days or something.
It's something different this year. And then will you have the kids like help you decorate the tree that day then for Thanksgiving?
No, because it goes by so quick. And to me, I look at this time, most everyone's able to make it. Molly isn't able, she's all the way up in in Washington there. But just getting all the cousins together, I would rather not distract them with doing this and that. And the tree is going to be close to the table, all set up and everything. That just play, just have a good time, but it'll feel like Thanksgiving and the tree's up, and I'll have some other things set out or something like that. So
very cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, it looks like Tiffany, she got her tree yesterday. Looks
All right.
so yeah, things are moving right along. Oh.
Yeah, I've been watching the comments that saw somebody's met us at pumpkin season this year. So Amy and I worked pumpkin season again, and so got to meet a lot of good people from all over the country. That was fun.
That is one of the things we really enjoy. I mean, we don't help with any of the prep or any of that stuff, but we definitely make a presence. I think the day of when we have pumpkin season. So
yeah.
Well, good. I'm glad that went by fast, didn't it? That was like 4 weeks, or was it only 3 weeks?
4 weekends.
4 weekends.
Yeah.
4 weekends, and sometimes it's 5, or
sometimes it's 5 or a day or 2 more in October, but usually it's 4 complete weekends. Yeah.
Got it. Got it. Yeah.
But anyway,
very cool.
Okay. Well, I'll let you girls chat.
I know. I came home in a rush. We may have an HOA meeting afterwards. Chris needed some info that I couldn't send him during the day, and so I because I'm like, oh my gosh, she's asking me this. I got to print out stuff from Lisa. I got to get all set up for the live, and I got flustered.
So I've got to go over that info while she does hers. And hello, everyone. And happy Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Happy holiday. Are you doing another one in December?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, I'll say my happy holidays till then.